Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So like you guys saw from the title, this is basically like one outfit but styled different ways. Basically I'm going to a wedding and I'm not sure which version of this outfit I'm supposed to wear, or if you guys have any preference, let it down in the comments down below and I'll consider it, obviously. So basically this is the first like version. It's basically like a white pant leg with a vest with gold buttons. Basically the vest is always going to be there, but it'll be different version. I really like this one. It's just that basically the material of the pants are not that fancy, so I wasn't really sure if I would want to go with these ones. Also you guys will see I have like two different kind of heels. One is more shiny and also like not as tall, maybe it's like a 2-inch kind of heel, and then I have another pair of heels which are also stilettos and they're basically like 3-inch heels. And yeah, the first one basically I had like a corset, leopard corset. It's just more like, you know, like super easy. This one is like a bit more formal. So basically what I changed in this one, I put a white button down shirt under to make it more sophisticated, more put together, I guess. Yeah, I actually like, at first I liked the other one better, but this week I was looking at the footage and I'm like, you know what, I actually like the white shirt under. I think it's more proper, more put together, and I like it more. Yeah, I changed the pants in this version. Basically they're like a 3/4 kind of pants. It goes down to my ankles. You guys can see here I have like the shorter heel with the shiny finish. Yeah, maybe I'll wear this version. I actually really like this version. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, more formal, more put together. This is giving like Justin Timberlake 2020 experience, in my opinion. That's why I really like it. If you guys went to the concert or remember the album, you guys will understand. This is basically the same thing but with the higher heel. You guys will see like it makes my legs look a bit longer, so that's why I kind of like the higher heel. But I have to say, like, these are new. I never actually worn these heels, so they're a bit difficult to walk on for me. So next I went back into like my leopard corset and I put it under. What I like about this one is just like more decontracted, more like let's have some fun, you know, less formal. I thought it was just like a bit more fun when I put that shirt under. Yeah, I just really like this one, to be honest, but I do prefer the white shirt under. It's just more put together, I find. But like I said, you guys tell me what you prefer down below in the comments. I actually want to know your input and everything. Maybe there's a version of all of this that I didn't think about, so just let me know down below. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I actually really like this one. For my last pant like version, I decided to go with leggings. I know like leggings doesn't scream wedding guest, but they're like those fancy like really thick leggings, and I put this as an option because it's giving like model, you know, it's giving like super tall model, runway model. So I thought like it would be like super, it's nice. The venue is not, it's like kind of in the middle of the road, like it's really nice, it's super like pretty, but it's not like super extravagant. It's giving like kind of business like, so that's why like for me this was an option. I don't think I'll go with this option, but I just wanted to show you guys. I just wanted to try it and see how it looks and see how I like it, because I do like it. I think it's really really pretty. It's just that to me legging doesn't scream wedding guest, so that's why I don't think it will be like an option, but you know, we never know. Yeah, this is what it looks like. And then here I just went with the higher heel. You guys will see my legs are looking, my body is basically like 95% legs, okay, and basically my legs are looking extra tall. This is giving even more like model like, super like a runway model, like you're going running errands, super rich like girl. I don't know, I just really like the feel of this one. I'm not sure if it's screaming wedding to me compared to like the other one would look more formal, I guess. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm just not sure right now. I'm looking for help. And for my last option, it's basically the same thing but with the white button shirt. Yeah, like you can see, this one compared to the other one looks more formal. But anyways, that's it, you guys. Let me know down below what you guys think of all these versions of the same outfit. Let me know which one was your which one was your preference, which one you liked best, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you like my videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.